Alright, so right now we have this app. Alright, so I'm going to make sure we use two separate text-to-speech components. Alright, so if I test it out.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, so that is fine. Okay, if I want to just use one component also is fine. So I just have one text-to-speech. Alright, so if I added a component and I don't want to use the component anymore, then under the components column, I can select the component that I don't want and click on the delete button here. Okay, so it will delete the text-to-speech too. Alright, so let's come back here. So let me put in the two words again, sentences. So
okay, thank you.
alright, so this is where we are. We have two buttons and two text input. Now, what is the one more fun component that I want to add? Alright, and that is using one of the built-in sensors of your mobile device. Alright, so under the palette, I want you to click on sensors. Alright, now again, even though you see a lot of sensors here, it depends on the actual sensors that are available on your mobile device. Okay, on your mobile device. So over here, what I want you to do is, I want you to select the first one, which is accelerometer sensor, because this is by default available on almost all smartphones. Alright, so you are almost guaranteed to have this sensor on your mobile device. So click on this and drag it onto your designer view here. Now again, you see that it comes up as a non-visible component. Okay, non-visible component. And what we need to do is, once we add it, we go to blocks. Okay, we go to blocks, and what we are going to say is, click on the accelerometer sensor one and select the first option, second option, when accelerometer sensor one dot shaking. So this will detect whether your phone, somebody is trying to shake your phone. Alright, so what we can do is, we can click on text to speech one again, select this block. Alright, and then we can put in a text. Okay, this is the first thing that we did, alright, in one of the earlier videos. So we can say, so for example, stop it. Okay, so what are we doing here? We are saying that if the phone sensor, accelerometer sensor, detects that somebody is shaking the phone, it will actually say stop it. Okay, so I'm going to show you over here. So the other buttons still will work as per normal. So okay, so I can say okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, now I'm going to shake my phone.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Okay, so you say stop it. Okay, whenever I say, whenever I shake the phone. Okay, you can always change the text. Alright, to say, for example, just say stop. Okay.
Stop.
Okay, so again, it's a kind of a fun app. You know, you can program it. You know, install it on somebody's phone with, you know, your sibling's phone or your parents' phone, and then you launch it, and then without them realizing it, you know, it keeps saying something and they don't understand why. Correct? So it's a fun app. You can have fun with your friends or your relatives, you know, by installing this app. Okay, so go ahead, build up this app and, you know, play around and have fun. Alright, the more you explore, the more you will learn. Alright, okay, so I have a lot more videos that I'll be publishing, so please remember to come to my website tigerapps.co, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that you keep up to date with all the apps, app development videos, as well as many other videos that I'll be publishing. Thank you again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.